Want to play your Steam games with zero internet? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to set up offline mode, step by step. First, make sure you're online and logged into Steam. You need a connection once so Steam can verify your account and games. Next, fully update your games. In your library, right-click a game, then click Properties, and check the Updates tab to confirm it's up to date. Now, disable automatic logouts. Click Steam in the top left, choose Settings, then go to Security and Privacy and make sure you stay signed in. It's also best to let Steam remember your password. On the login screen, check Remember My Password so you can start in offline mode later. Once you've confirmed your games are updated and your account stays signed in, you're ready to enable offline mode. To switch offline, click Steam in the top left again, then choose Go Offline from the drop-down menu. A prompt appears. Click Restart in offline mode. Steam will quickly restart without needing the internet. After restart, look for offline mode at the top of the Steam window. That confirms you're successfully offline. Now open your library and launch any game that supports offline play. It should start normally, even with Wi-Fi turned off. If a game asks you to connect, close it, go back online once to verify it, then repeat these steps to re-enter offline mode. That's it. You set up Steam offline mode. Save this video and you'll always know how to play your Steam games without internet.